On Target Printing, 1319 West State Street. No job is too big or too small. Turnaround on most jobs, 24 hours. We make you look good on paper. Today's programming furnished by a grant from Chilella and Carney Florist on Mill Street in Newcastle.
NCTV45, The Train, anytime on your time.
All men and women and young adults come and join the Lawrence County Catholic Men's Fellowship Group as they celebrate their 6th annual Spiritual Day gathering Saturday, September 23rd at the Parish Center, Mary Mother of Hope, right here downtown on North Beaver Street from 8:30 to 5. It concludes with Mass at 4, and the Mass will be celebrated by this year's spiritual leader, Reverend Gilbert, and the cost is $35, and the theme for the day, Rising Up New, the Divine Plan at Work in Jesus. Now, we'll be right back in a flash.